Yes, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. I'm Theo. Now today I'm in DNJ Interior Decor. They sell all types of decors, the interior decors that you need in your house. They're selling flowers, straw pillows, they're selling wall clocks, and also they're selling carpets, flowers, so many things inside here. So ladies and gentlemen, DNJ is found opposite Moi Flats along the Odinga street. Now DNJ interior collection is found just next to Resma Plaza. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you need interior decor within Nakuru, so many people are asking, where can I get ABCD, where can I get flowers for my house, where can I get straw pillows. I've decided now to bring you all this through the Love of Theo, so that you can just see the businesses that are within Nakuru town. In case you need something in Nakuru town, you can just pop in and get to this channel and find out what you need from this channel. In this shop here, they are selling so many things, a variety of things. They have a good reception, and also they have good customer care. Make sure you come in, see what you need, check it out. On the description of this video, I'll be indicating the phone number of where you can call, so that you can make an order. You can get the piece of an item that you need concerning the interior decoration. So make your house lovely, make your house beautiful, and I'll be showing you through this video everything that is that they sell.
All I
So in case you need to know the quotation or to know the price of an item, please, you can call that number below there, and make sure you like this video, subscribe, share with others so that they can be able to see or to identify a place they can buy anything that they need about the interior decoration. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. May God bless you. Make sure you subscribe and share. Bye bye.